Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Here we have my personal favorite unit, the Pavoni. This unit is about 20 years old, still in pretty good condition, but it's had standard wear and tear on a lot of the gaskets. So we just took her apart, replaced those, lubed everything up, and now she's working like a charm. So let's lift the lever. And pull it on down to push that water through the group pad. And there you have it. Crema. Nice looking cup of coffee. And quickly let's open up the steam. And there you go, there's the steam. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thanks.